What up guys, welcome to a brand new video. I'm driving right now, I just woke up. I'm about to go pick up the MAMALONA, right? I am so sorry for slacking on not dropping videos of this truck when it's literally the most viewed fucking car I have. Like, this truck gets the most views. But anyways, today I finally got everything I needed to finish this interior project, I guess. So my plan was to take out my old interior, which you guys saw in my other last video, and sand it down and, you know, spray it the original OBS burgundy or maroon red, whatever the color is. But luckily yesterday some guy brought in a truck, a 1991 Chevy Silverado with the full red interior, and guess what? I bought that shit off of him, bro. They tried to negotiate to 400 to 350. I was like, nah, 300. I'm only doing 300. At the same time, I wasted my time sanding down the fucking trims of my truck. Now I'm not even going to be spraying them. I literally bought the fucking, I think I bought primer, or I don't know. I brought some materials for it, but I don't even need it anymore. I didn't record much of taking out the red interior because, you know, you guys basically saw that in my previous video of this truck that I'm working on. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and just enjoy the video. Peace. So if I even, you know, take the truck, it's been sitting for a while. So yeah, this tire's been bad since I got it. It's always been leaking here, but look at this shit. It's just been sitting. So right now I'm just gonna be putting some air with my other car. Yeah. But don't worry guys, I got brand new tires and brand new rims for this thing, so I'm dead. I just stay tuned for this shit. This shit is gonna be fucking nice. Guys, this is how I'm literally driving and how I've been driving the truck if I ever drove it. When I drive, I literally have to fucking hold on to the dash or else it'll fall. And it already broke. A spring came out of it, but I don't know which gauge it came out of. Also, some broke bitch tried to steal my gas too. Like, what the fuck? But if you guys don't know about the Chevy Silverados, or not just the Chevy Silverado, some of the like cars, they have like you know how you could just steal gas with a tube or a hose, you put it in through the gas hole and shit. Well, this truck has something that blocks it off so it doesn't go into the gas. So I got lucky with that, but they did end up stealing my dad's gas out of our Jeep. Yeah, it just broke people, bro. It's crazy. Anyways guys, I'm gonna just go to the shop now. I gotta go pick up some stuff from AutoZone and shit. But yeah, this is how I'm driving. Catch y'all in a bit. Peace. Well guys, can you guys see what I'm in? Full red interior old Chevy. I'm gonna just take this dash out, these trims right here off, the ones on the floor, and everything I need, and put it in my truck. The rest is gonna be a full part out. Alright guys, I'm about to be done taking the dash off. I just took like all the trim pieces I'm gonna take and put them in a pile. I'm also gonna have to take the seats out and shit, to take the carpet out. It's loose now, as you can see. I just gotta see if there's a little bit more bolts left or something, and then take this off, of course. But besides that, I'm gonna take it out. All right, y'all, I was about to start, but then I'm like, why the fuck is my pocket so damn hot? And the fucking GoPro was on for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna just be over there. You guys see the dash. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with purple power. It's just some degreaser, and, you know, scrub it so I can put it in here so it's clean. I'm gonna try to clean this a bit. As you can see, it's dusty as well, so I'm just not gonna record that part because I'm gonna leave my camera to charge so I have enough battery life to, you know, record me and actually installing this. So right now I'm just gonna go, like I said, clean that. I just cleaned it. I'm just transferring some stuff in from the old dash to the new one, like this little bracket right here, and these door buttons. I'm also gonna go ahead and, so the dash is clean, but I'm also gonna go ahead and clean these right here. These go on the dash, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray them with some degreaser and clean them up so I could have those on there. So my old dash was a little bit in better condition, like less cracks, but I'm just not gonna, you know, waste time spraying it and shit. So I'm just gonna put this old one from the other truck. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these, and then after I'm done with this, put these onto the dash, and of course clean this filthy mess. So hopefully it all goes smooth. I don't want any problems. So as you can see, all that dirt and grime, I'm about to take it all off with some degreaser. Alright, check it out, guys. It came out really good. That's just not even scrubbing it, I just spraying it with degreaser and washing it off. So you did a good job. And plus these pieces you won't really see, it's only from right here. Alright, as you can see, I just did a little wipe down. I didn't take it too seriously because, you know, it's not even gonna be able to be seen, so just wipe it down a bit. So now I'm just gonna, I also took the seat out, so now I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the dash in. Alright guys, my fucking camera's at 10%. I'm gonna just record when everything is back on. Yeah, I forgot my fucking bolts, literally every single one of the bolts I took home. I don't know why, but I accidentally took them home. And the original ones from this truck are in my K-van. Yeah, came home, picked these up, and now I'm back to the shop. Oh yeah, also, I didn't just switch out like the dash and shit from the other truck to this one. I also got this center cap. Can you see it's way cleaner? That's the old one right there. It's a big difference. I just need to clean that, but to be honest, this one's already decently clean, so I just put it on. All right, I'm gonna get back to the shop and finish this shit up because I want to go home. This is what I finished today. Basically, the whole dash is on. I just need a new stereo. I need a fucking put on the glove box. Of course, speakers, door panels, they're right here. I'm going to fix these because they're in way better condition than the ones I bought. Catch y'all in the next one when I actually do that. Peace. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this whole dash. I just need to put in the stereo buttons and the climate control buttons. Obviously I'll put in the stereo in the next video. I'm gonna need to do something because the stereo I got is a little bit smaller than this. Probably like this much is gonna be left out. Sorry, my hands are fucking veiny. Goddamn. And then obviously put in the door panels and the glove box. Just stay tuned because it's almost done, bro. This shit is gonna be sick. I'm telling you guys. I've never done this much work to a car, which is fucking crazy. I'm doing it to a truck, but you see this, man. It'll look pretty soon. I just put this on. I'm about to put the screws on there so it doesn't like wobble anywhere. Alright, now I'm just gonna put this on. Put it on. Now I'm just gonna put these in here. There you go. Let's see if it clicks on. Boom. And I'm gonna try to put this in, you know, the stereo shit and the climate control, so I have some heater, because when I drive this in the rain it gets really foggy and I'll fucking crash one day and I'll be dead. Since I already put this on, I'm gonna just go ahead and loosen up these star bolts. Alright, so I got it in. Now I just gotta put it back into here. And where's the other one? This one, it doesn't even work because this is the radio. Like, you know, just change the stations and shit, turn it up and shit like that. But I have an aftermarket one, and ever since I got it, this one has not been working. It's always been unplugged. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the cables in the back and just set it in there. So before I put everything, I'm gonna make sure it actually works, because I don't want to put everything in then for it to not work and then have to take everything off again. So here we go. Yes sir, this shit works. Will it work though? Yeah. Okay, let me see. Right here. Shit, it's been a while since this shit's turned on. I'm gonna just put everything back together and catch y'all in a bit. Alright, so here I'm gonna be gluing back, you know, the broken panels. Not broken, but you know, they need to be glued back on. So I'm gonna be using this 3M thing, and you know, I didn't spray it on camera, but here's the result after. I'm just trying to get it to stick very well with the random card. So yeah, that's that. And then right here, some of the door panel is broken, so I have to super glue it, but it holds well. What up? Good morning. It's morning now. It's another day. So basically, we're gonna be putting in the new door panels into the truck. Look at how it's been sitting. I put everything all back together, as you guys saw. I did order a brand new like centerpiece for this thing because it's just way too long. I was gonna do some DIY shit, but I don't want it to look ugly, so I just bought a new one on eBay. It's only like $17. But yeah. Also, got some new clips for the door panels because it barely has any clips. It's literally missing most of them. And the ones on my door panels, they're literally, look at it, somewhere still on the fucking door. Like, you see that? And down there. So yeah, I was not gonna reuse those. They would have fallen off anyway. So this truck used to have speakers on the door, and they had cables going in from here through here to here. So what I did was I took them off. These were unnecessary. I didn't need it. Also took the clips off from the door. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now is get this wire all the way here, and then just put these speakers back on since I have brand new ones. Stay tuned, because this shit's about to be loud. So yeah, I'm about to finish up real quick. I was about to start recording, but look, this is what I'm talking about. The clips are not even on the panel. Also had tweeters in this shit, but I'm gonna take them off because they don't even work. Brand new tweeter, by the way, DS18, but damn, I think this is the only one that works actually. The other one doesn't work, but I'm gonna just take it off. There we have it. Finally done. Most of them have these. I think they're all gray here, but I think I want to change the color of it. Maybe black or something. But at the same time, the dash is also gray. Let me know in the comments, should I change the color? Because I don't know, it looks a bit weird gray. I'm gonna start with the other one now. Also, look at the new clip right here, and then the old ones, bro, they're all busted up. Look at this shit, it looks like somebody was chewing on this. Struggled a bit with this one, but put it in. Finally done.